Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We're going to take a look today at the new Page Manager feature and the new preview features they've just added to the Divi 5 theme here. Absolutely awesome. They really are making things a lot quicker to get around and a lot easier to deal with here. So let's edit this page with Divi. Here we are in the actual page. I've got the builder enabled. As you can see, it looks pretty similar. First thing that I want to look at is the new preview mode up here. Buttons have changed slightly. It used to say preview and save draft. We've got a couple of little options here. If we drop down, we can preview on the front end, which is exactly the same as the previous version. If I do this, we've got a preview of our page popping up in a separate tab right here. That was a pretty standard way of doing it. Now they've just changed things and made it a lot easier. They've got another one where you can just hit enter preview mode. Watch what happens when I click on this. It just instantly previews the whole thing full screen on your computer right here. Really handy if you want to flip quickly between previewing it on the front end and back end. When you want to exit, you can exit right here. And those two things alone are really handy. And again, that is a real time saver right there. The thing I really want to look at today is the new page manager feature they've got here. Usually when I create a new page, I have to go down to the dashboard and create a new page. For instance, here I am at the dashboard. Usually I go down here or go up to the top and create a new page. With the new manager here, if we go over the left hand side, there it is. If I click on it, it's got a list of all our pages here. And there's plenty of them. We've been demoing this for quite a long time. If you want to edit any of these pages, just go ahead and edit. If you want to delete any of these pages, you can delete. If you want to duplicate them, there's a really little handy duplicator right there. For instance, if I duplicate this page, we've got a copy right here. I can go right in and edit it. And here we are. When there's that clone of that page, we can go in, change it. If you've got styling going on throughout your site and you want to just quickly clone a page, this is a great way of doing it. Of course, the other great feature with our page manager, if we click on it again, you can also do posts. And if you have projects, you can manage your projects in exactly the same way here. And if you're thinking just now, well, we duplicated this page, I don't want another one that says flip text, copy. When you duplicate it, it takes you straight to the root there, the page settings. You can just change the name up here to whatever you need to do and start editing the page to your heart's desire. Now, another great feature, and this is pretty obvious down below, you'll see a little button that says add new. If you just want to create a new page, just hit that add new button. We can give it a title at the top without even leaving. Really exciting title right there. It's a page. I'm going to have it perhaps as a draft. And you'll notice there you can also schedule it or schedule it, however you like to say that. When you're happy, just hit the add page. We roll up to the top there. There it is, my new page. And we can get to it and edit it just by hitting our little edit pencil icon there. It's letting me know I haven't saved this particular one here. That's fine. Now we can build from scratch as usual, put in everything we need. Let's just go back there, my page manager again. I'm going to get rid of that flip text copy right there. Just hit the trash can. Perfect. They've also given you a nice little list of key commands that makes it very easy to navigate throughout your site here. If we hit the little cog up the top here, they got key commands for save, add to library, page settings, edit page, view page, import, export, undo, redo, history, etc. If you want to clear the layout completely, you've got one on the bottom. That's great too. Very short and sweet little video today. Just wanted to tell you about the new page manager there. Really handy thing to have. Really does make life a lot easier. And it's going to make editing a lot quicker too. So that with the new preview, let's just do something with this section quickly. I'll just give it a background. Let's throw in one of these crazy cars perhaps. I won't put any content in it, just make it full height. Over in design, sizing, here's the height. Let's make it 100 VH. And we can just hit the preview, and there it is on the front end. Really speedy little way of doing things. So what with a new preview and our new little page manager, they really are upping their game and making it much easier for us to get around the builder and everything. Really, really impressed. It's a very short and sweet video today. I just thought I'd point those out to you. We're going to be starting a new series as they're releasing Divi 5 in the next couple of weeks. We're going to be starting from scratch, showing you how to download, install, and start building your site from the ground up. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them if I can, or make a little demo video just like this one. So once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.